Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going shopping. You'll hear a real conversation at a supermarket. Listen for useful phrases and try them next time. Let's go.
Hi, excuse me. Where can I get a shopping cart?
Just over there, next to the entrance.
Oh, great, thanks. I can't find the bread aisle. Could you tell me where the bread is?
Sure, it's aisle 4.
Great, thanks. Whole wheat or white? I'll take the whole wheat loaf. I still need eggs and milk. Hi, where are the eggs?
Aisle 5, across from the butter.
Perfect, thanks. I'll take a dozen. Oh, and the milk's here too, nice. I'll get a carton of low-fat milk. Excuse me, I'm looking for the cheese but I can't find it.
It's over there, next to the yogurt. Are you looking for sliced or block cheese?
A small block of cheddar.
Good choice, that one's on sale today for $4.50.
Oh, great. I'll take it.
Hi, did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you. You've got great deals today.
Glad to hear that. That'll be $23.75.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please tap or insert your card here.
Done.
Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
Let's learn some useful phrases. Aisle means the row between shelves. A loaf means 1 unit of bread. A dozen eggs means 12 eggs. A carton of milk means milk in a paper or plastic box. A block of cheese means a solid piece of cheese. Can I pay by card means a very common question when checking out. Now you're ready to go shopping in English. Practice these phrases and try them next time you're at the store. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English conversations. See you next time.